Panasonic's OLEDs are based on post-production master monitors used by professionals in Hollywood, meaning that it allows consumers to see the colors as the directors originally intended them to be seen. Well, as a colorist, I work at tuning the color to create emotions or to draw attention to certain things in the scene. Well, most TVs, they enhance the color to create artificial vividness and sharpness. Sometimes the visuals get distorted and you lose the layer of mastering that we work so hard on with the director to achieve.
呢個 Panasonic OLED TV 咧，我哋嘗試去 compare with 我嘅 master 個 monitor， 其實基本上啊係好十分之接近嘅。個 color time 咧，佢係 tuned by Hollywood。Colorist 佢哋後期製作成班專業嘅人咧去做個 color time 咧，所以嗰啲顏色咧出嚟咧係好還原嘅。紅色就真係嗰現場拍嘅時候個紅色。
Well, on the Panasonic OLED TV, the picture is smooth, it's extremely clear, details are brought out to the maximum without being artificially sharp. It's very realistic, exposures are nice to see.
佢嗰個 black 咧係真係非常之靚 ，true black。所有畫面上嗰啲暗位，佢係呈現到好 solid 嘅。因為個電視係可以上到網嘅，可以睇 Netflix， 可以睇 YouTube， 所以嗰個 pad 咧係可以咧俾你隨便咁去喐個 mouse 咁樣嚟用咧，係好貼心嘅一樣嘢嚟㗎啦。
A movie is an art form in every way, with individual scenes painted very specifically to match the director's vision. It's not just about respecting the director's artistic talent, it's about keeping the subtle emotion and to add so much in a scene to a movie. If you're a fan of movies or an enthusiast of art, you should definitely invest in a TV that will allow you to watch these movies in its original form.
Panasonic.